Hey guys. All right, so we are getting ready to pull our 1973 Volkswagen Thing up to out of the backyard and up to the shop in the garage. A lot of parts are here for this car that we don't actually have on it. We do have a good deck, hood. We do have, which one I just noticed today, we've got the 2-inch wider rear fenders, which are in great shape. You look in here, it's really not as bad as I thought it would be. This area will need to be replaced. We're going to put new floor pans in it. I've got all new brake lines, shift rod bushings. I've got a really good transmission that's already ready to go in the shed. I do have the speedometer metal that goes here. I have one new door for that side because that one's really bad. I have a brand new windshield frame, new to us. That's almost perfect. We've got a good hood here, so that's good. Front fenders aren't too terrible. I've also got a really nice rear bumper. So that'll complete this. Kind of the idea here is it's going to go low. We're going to do some customization to it. Some really cool little accent pieces to it, and some detail, and make a nice little custom out of this. It's going to get a stock, for the most part stock, 1600cc engine, just like it came with a good transmission. All the suspension's getting rebuilt. Every bearing, bushing, anything and everything that's on this car will be redone. We're going to be working with the Thing Shop and thingparts.com, and the Samba's forums have been amazing so far. We've gotten a lot of stuff from them, from the guys over there helping us out. I did get all new door latches from a guy. So right now we've got good hood, new windshield frame, upper and lower, new passenger front door, all new latches. The floor pans have been ordered. They're on their way. We have all of the rear suspension, bearings, bushings, shocks, everything sitting in the house. We've already got a brand new pedal assembly, new stainless steel brake lines. It'll have disc brakes in the front instead of the original drum. It will be 5-lug. What else do we have? I've got a lot of parts that I bought a year ago for this. I got a new shifter rod bushing, empty short shifter. All of that is here. Like I said, we do have the 2-inch wider rear fenders. I've been in Taos, New Mexico for the last 6 months, so I've been trying to figure out what I needed through pictures, which is much harder than it sounds. But this is what we're doing. This car will be for sale. Hoping to have it done in 3 to 6 months tops. It will have neat rims on it. It will be red. It's going to go flame red. We're going to do some cool things with the interior. Just kind of make everything work. It'll be pretty much a stock drivetrain, but OEM Plus is kind of what I'm looking for. And we'll get it all together, and we're going to put this up for sale. So if you're looking for a thing, this might be your thing. We're going to replace a lot. So just keep watching, and I'll keep posting, and we'll just kind of follow this thing together and see where we get. So here you go. This is our 1973 Volkswagen Thing. The front, let's see if I can get this open. I need that front pan if anybody's got it. That one. But otherwise, we got about everything else. So one way or another. So I'll keep you guys posted. We're gonna get this thing pulled out of the backyard and up front and pressure washed and cleaned, and then I'll take another video. There's the old windshield frame. It's seen better days, but there's that door I was talking about. I got a new one. And I got a new B-pillar coming. So yeah, should be a interesting build. Should go pretty quick, but I know it looks a little rough now, but wait till you see it. It's gonna look amazing. Be like a brand new penny. All right, talk to you guys later.